Michael Hart, the author of the book The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history. It took him 28 years to complete it. And you know what? He ranked Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam number one on the list. Allahu Akbar. While he was given a lecture in London, he was bored and interrupted. People were complaining as to why he ranked Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as number one. He said, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam stood in the middle of Makkah in the year 611 and said to people, I am the Prophet of Allah. 4 people believed in him: his best friend, his wife, and 2 kids. Now, even after 1400 years, the number of Muslims have gone over 1.5 billion and still expanding. He could not have been a liar, because a lie will not last 1400 years, nor could you fool 1.5 billion people. Another thing to ponder is that even after all this time, millions of Muslims will not hesitate to sacrifice their lives over one word that would hurt their Prophet. Is there even one Christian willing to do that for Jesus? After that, there was dead silence in the whole auditorium. My sweet Islamic brothers, a poet says, लब पर नाते पाक का नगमा कल भी था और आज भी है, मेरे नबी से मेरा रिश्ता कल भी था और आज भी है, बतला दो गुस्ताखे नबी को गैरत मुस्लिम जिंदा है, उन पर मर मिटने का जज्बा कल भी था और आज भी है. The lyrics are secret, not dust on my lips. Yesterday and also today, my bond with my holy prophet strongly affixed. Yesterday and also today, yesterday and also today, yesterday and also today. No home truth race cannot fall from grace. No home truth race cannot fall from grace. In both the words, undoubtedly his pressure operates. Yesterday and also today, yesterday and also today, yesterday and also today. Let the reverend be known, Muslims' integrity lives on. Let the reverend be known, Muslims' integrity lives on. The passion to love him to death remains, everyone knows. Yesterday and also today, yesterday and also today, yesterday and also today.